Right, today we've got a steel little trimmer. I'll just show you that the blade just fits on, just in fact, a bit like a your shaver actually, quite honestly. You just pop it in there, click it in, that's in firm. It's got a safety switch here, so you can, how about that? And here's the battery in the end. You see, I do have trouble getting this out, but I will take it out to show you if I can get it out. Yeah, it doesn't want to come out, does it? Oh, I was pressing them the wrong way. There's a little battery, rechargeable battery. Pop it in, done. You watch. How about this? Just like cutting your hair. I'll tell you what, that's got to be easier than using a pair of shears.